When your 2017 Porsche Panamera Sport's check engine light keeps flashing, it's a sign your engine needs expert attention. Call 267-279-9477 today. At Doylestown Auto Repair, Eastern Pennsylvania's trusted European car specialists, we know what it takes to keep your luxury vehicle performing flawlessly. Diagnosing misfires in European engines requires precision, not guesswork. Our advanced diagnostic tools accurately detect cylinder misfires, ignition coil failures, and fuel injector problems within your Panamera's complex engine management system. We don't just clear codes, we uncover the root cause. Check engine lights in European vehicles can signal emissions issues, oxygen sensor faults, or catalytic converter problems. Our certified technicians understand the intricate systems that make your Porsche run at its peak. If your Panamera feels rough, sluggish, or hesitant, our experts can pinpoint faults in the transmission control module, air mass sensor, or electronic throttle body with precision. Follow for real Euro repair advice.